Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Friday, the 17th of June. All right, looking at yesterday's trading session, locally we had the job numbers released. The employment change came in at 60.6 K. That was better than the 25,000 jobs that were forecasted. Unemployment rate, however, did drop slightly to 3.9% compared to the 3.8 forecast. Overall, the Aussie dollar did have a strong day yesterday, particularly making up a lot of ground against the US dollar. The other important data to be released yesterday was from London, where we saw the Bank of England increase interest rates to 1.25%, so they increased by 25 basis points, and that decision was unanimous with the voting at 9-0. Overall, the pound yesterday made up ground pretty much against all major pairs, so a strong day for the pound as well. That was all that's happened yesterday, so let's move along and have a look at our chart of the day. Now, the chart that I'm looking at this morning is the CAD yen on a daily timescale. Now, from this chart, we can see that the market is definitely in an uptrend, okay, from around this point, which is around about March earlier this year. So what we have already seen is that we've come up, we've pulled back, pushed to new heights. We're pulling back again, and what we're thinking might happen is that it will bounce and continue to go in this direction. Now, before we just buy on a dip, I want to see a little bit of reaction that the market is in fact going to reverse. So I'm looking in particularly at these two candles here. Now, bear in mind that the little one is this morning's candle, which is only about 1 hour into formation. So I want to see that candle complete. If it does complete as an inside candle the way that looks like right now, that is a reversal pattern, meaning that the market's come down, something's happened, giving us the reversal, and then to continue in this direction, which would be a trend continuation type trade. So that's what I'm looking for. Let's see if we can lock in a reversal pattern out of the candles that I've highlighted, and if so, then that is our trigger for Monday morning to be a buyer on the CAD yen as a trend continuation type trend. So that's our chart of the day, the CAD yen daily time scale. All right, what is on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? We have from Japan. Now, they don't specify a specific time, so it could happen at any time throughout the day. They will be releasing their monetary policy statement, and what's important here, most of the major economies around the world have been increasing interest rates. Japan has declined to do so. So let's see what their policy statement says moving forward. It could be a big reaction on any Japanese pairs. Okay, so look out for that. And then the only other bit of significant news, I guess, happens at 10:45 p.m. this evening from the US, and it's Fed Chair Powell, which is due to speak. That pretty much wraps up for this morning, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can also follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you on Monday for the Daily Call. Bye for now.